Good morning, everyone. Myself, Nischay Pillai. I'm from M1 section MNTC. Today, I'm here to present my shop talk topic, which is Neuralink. The contents we are going to discuss here are introduction, application, history, and implementing. Introduction. Neuralink is an American neurotechnology company that is developing brain computers. This company is located in California. Neuralink is founded by Elon Musk and the group of 7 scientists and engineers. It was first launched on 21st of June 2016 and was publicly reported on 1st of March 2017. This company can build such kind of brain computers which are capable of translating thoughts into action. Its neural device will allow people with paraplegia to regain movement and to restore vision. The word paraplegia means disease. It is a disease in which a human being can't able to move, talk, not even able to think. So because of its neural device, the human being, an individual will be able to regain its vision. Also, he can talk, he can think, he can move. Neuralink would be able to those with spinal cord injuries. It can cure mental illness, blindness, and neurological conditions effectively. Implementing Neuralink work through an impact called the link. It is a device about the size of 5 stacked coins would be placed inside a human brain through invasive surgery. As you can see, here is a clear picture of Neuralink. It is a device will be placed inside a human brain. So the pros of Neuralink is that we can expect better connectivity with devices and humans. It is used to treat neurological conditions. It is also used for problem solving skills by sending and receiving from brain and to the brain. Cons of Neuralink is that implanting such kind of device in directly through the brain into the brain is carries inert risk. It may cause brain infection. It is also long-term risk as it is implanted directly to the brain. Thank you.